Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We are going to study lesson number 4, disaster management. The point that we are going to continue with is important contact numbers for disaster management. You can see in the chart, police is shown as 100 number, fire brigade as 101, ambulance as 102 and disaster management cell as 108 or 112. Now we are going to see what are the remedial and preventive measures. Precautions to be taken before or in the case of any natural or man-made disasters. One should carefully watch news on radio and TV. Radio and mobile should be battery operated. Carefully follow the warnings issued by the meteorological department. The website www.imd.government.in should be followed. In hilly areas, landslides can occur due to a cloud burst or heavy rains. Therefore, one should not take shelter at the foot of a hill. In case of floods, one should not linger in the house or low-lying areas. Shelter in the safe places at heights should be taken. One should not step in water currents or drive a vehicle into the gushing water. One should ensure the safe approach road during the time of earthquakes. Relief camps are arranged when there is a disaster. They provide medicines, food packets, drinking water, first aid, etc. Help should be obtained from such relief camps. Fire extinguishers should be installed at all public places. Now we are going to see the point first aid. What is first aid? Immediate aid even before the medical aid arrives is known as first aid. This is extremely essential during disasters or accidents as it can help to save somebody's life. Measures of first aid are external bleeding, burns or scalds, sunstroke and snake bite and dog bite. Firstly, we will see what is the external bleeding. Make the injured person sit or lie down. Clean the wound with clean water. Keep the injured part above the level of the heart. Now, in the second point, what is the first aid to be given for burns or scalds? If there are minor burns, the burnt part should be washed with cold water or held under running water. Victim should be given water to drink. Cotton swab soaked in antiseptic solution should be used to clean the wounds. Oily ointments should not be applied. Dry dressings should be used to cover the wounds. And when serious burns are there, then you should cover the wounds with sterilized cloth. Jewelry, shoes and tight clothes should be removed. Blisters should not be touched or handled. Oily ointments should not be applied. Clothes may be stuck to victim's body. Do not pull them. Conscious victim should be given water to drink, but other stimulating drinks like tea or coffee should not be given. Try to get medical aid as soon as possible. Give emotional support to the victim. Next point is sunstroke. If a person walks continuously for a long time in the sun, then the body loses water and minerals. This dehydration results in sunstroke. What are the remedial measures for sunstroke? The patient should be immediately taken to a cool place or in the shade. The body should be given cold sponge bath. The neck of a patient should be covered with a wet cloth. Patient should be given water or sherbets to drink in order to stop the dehydration. Patient should be made to lie in the prone position, that is, on his or her abdomen with the head turned to one side. In case of seriousness of sunstroke, shift the patient to hospital or get medical help. The next point is snake bite. All snakes are not poisonous. Firstly, we should know that only few such are as cobras, kraits, vipers and sea snakes are poisonous. Bite by poisonous snake is fatal, but bite by non-poisonous snakes can also cause psychological shock resulting in death. Instead of killing, one should try to save the snake with the help of volunteers who rescue the snake, commonly called Sarpamitra, and release it into its natural habitat. Now, what are the remedial measures for snake bite? Giving the emotional support to the victim, washing the wound with water, tying a tight tourniquet or cloth above the wound so that the poison does not reach the vital organs, seeking medical help immediately and giving antivenom to the victim. Now next point is the dog bite. What are the remedies and what is a dog bite? The dog bite can be dangerous if the dog is not vaccinated by anti-rabies vaccine. Hence, immediate care and medical help should be given to the victim as rabies is 100% fatal. Remedial measures for dog bite are: wound should be first cleaned and then washed with potassium permanganate solution. Wound should be covered with clean and dry cloth. Taking help from a doctor, victim should be given anti-rabies vaccine and care of his or her wound should be taken. Now dear children, in this lesson we have studied about the occurrence of disasters and some important disasters like earthquake, floods, storms, forest fires, and how to do the disaster management. Recently in this video we learnt about the important contact numbers and the remedial and preventive measures and first aids to be given during the different types of things that had happened with us, like external bleeding or sunstroke, or it may be a snake bite or a dog bite in this call. I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you children. Have a good day.